Hi, I'm Eloise Finch, founder of Sell Beyond. Let me let you into a little secret. We can use software to do market research on Amazon. Using Jungle Scout or Helium10, we can find out what your competitors are making in different marketplaces and how much they're selling. Most companies don't want to tell you that. I'm going to show you how to use Jungle Scout and Helium10 for product research and market research across Amazon platforms. Let me show you how to do product research with Jungle Scout in the UK and France. We're looking at an opportunity. We want to sell colouring pencils for adults. I've done my search in the UK. Search terms have come up. I'm going to click on my Jungle Scout extension and see what they think each of those products we can see are making. Jungle Scout is telling us everything that's on the first page of Amazon. We can see the product, the brand, the individual product price, the estimated monthly sales and the estimated daily sales, the estimated monthly revenue for that product, the date the product went online, how many reviews it has, the average rating of that reviews, the sales ranking, the estimated Amazon fees that product is selling based on its dimensions, whether it's Amazon that's selling it or it's a third-party seller fulfilling through Amazon, how many sellers are selling it. So if it's a product like Staedtler, well-known brand, is Staedtler selling it or is it a private company selling it? What the product category is. There's a lot of information here. Most people will want to focus on that lovely number, the monthly revenue. How is it calculated? It's typically calculated by sales multiplied by price. If we click on the monthly sales, Jungle Scout is giving us a graph showing us, since the product's been available in 2015, what the sales volume is, around 5, 6, 7, 8k a month until like this year, and what the revenue has been. May 2020, 23.584k. This is very exciting to look at. It gives you an idea of the product opportunity. We have to take into account two things. One of them is, can you compete immediately? If this product has been around since 2015, you've got to be realistic. How long is it going to take you to break into that market? Also, these are estimates scraped from Amazon bestseller lists. It may or may not be accurate. This is the breakdown of daily sales over a month. We can see there are peaks and troughs. All we get is the average. The final thing with Jungle Scout is they are giving you an opportunity score. The opportunity score is their own algorithm. Is this a good place for you to be selling? The opportunity score for this colouring pencils in the UK for adults, high demand with high competition. Now, if we switch to Amazon France, should we be selling in Amazon France? We're going to look for the keyword crayon de couleur and adulte. We're going to run the same exercise. Here are our search results. We're going to click on Jungle Scout. Here we can see we've got some different brands. They're priced in euros. We have monthly sales, monthly revenue, when these brands came online, how many reviews they have, the Amazon fees in euros, the sales rank, and again, what type of seller they are. Important to note here is although the product category is the same, Jungle Scout is giving us a really different opinion about whether we should enter here. Medium demand with high competition, that is not a really great score. However, we can click into the monthly sales and see how well this particular one is doing in France and decide whether it's worth us entering in the market. Now we can do the same with Helium10, get slightly different results. We'll go back to our colouring pencil example. We close out Jungle Scout. Let's see what Helium10 says. Helium10 extension, Amazon product research. It's running a slightly different analysis, but it's going to tell us similar types of data. We can click on the sales graph here, pull up a bigger graph. Jungle Scout will give us the sales over 30 days, 90 days, or all time. We can also look at the trend line, sales going up or down, the 7-day moving average of what sales is doing. Jungle Scout's going to give us a success score. Is it a niche we should be in? Jungle Scout tells us low cost, low profit niche. Market dominated by a small group of sellers, mature or restricted, too many competitors, search term too broad. This isn't exactly the right place for me to be launching a product. That's what Helium10 is saying. Again, with Crayon de Couleur, we can do the same with Helium10, run the same type of analysis. Should we be instead in the French market? What's Helium10 advising us to do? Helium10 is telling us we shouldn't necessarily be in the French market. Low demand, moderate variation in pricing, moderate cost, but a low barrier to entry niche. Should we be in here? That's why you should think about comparing Jungle Scout, Helium10, run the numbers, think about your shipping, and make the right choice for your Amazon expansion. Jump on our webinars, call me at Sell Beyond. Let me help you find out what's profitable to sell on Amazon.